Welcome back to Drunk Cooking with Leora, the show where I take your requests and I get drunk with them. So like, subscribe, and send in your requests of what you want me to cook and what you want me to drink next time. It's our birthday today. We've been doing drunk cooking for an entire year and my liver is really unhappy about it. And we're celebrating in the only way that I know how. I'm gonna get wasted and I'm gonna bake something that I don't know how to do. In the past, baking hasn't really gone very well. Neither has going live. So we've decided to combine them both. I got this recipe from the little blogger Vegan. I'm not taking any credit for this recipe whatsoever. And I'm gonna do it no justice because I am a terrible baker. So if you do wanna make it, head over there because she does it better than I'm ever going to. Let's be realistic. Let's get baking. What do I do first? Woo. We actually drank bubbles on the introduction episode the first time we ever did this. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bam! Heated. Line an 8-inch cake tin with grease-proof paper. But I'm gonna guess this is 8 inches. So this is apparently 10 inch, according to Lucas. Are you supposed to cut it? We'll deal with this later. Combine the milk and the apple cider vinegar. We're back to this game. As you've learned in a previous episode, if you've been watching, if you mix apple cider vinegar and vegan milk, it makes buttermilk. Ah! How do I take this off? I should have read the recipe before we started. So we need 960 milliliters of your vegan milk. If I haven't said it already, this is a vegan unicorn cake. And why? Because I said so. 4 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. This is the same bottle that I bought when I made the tiramisu episode a year ago. What have I done with my life? These fucking bullshit ingredients buying. Oops. Oh, that missed the spoon entirely. Baking's expensive. It smells disgusting. I love day drinking. Hats don't go well on this show. Cut to sombrero. Self-raising flour. I've sifted it already as well. Ugh. 960 grams of golden caster sugar. That's a shit ton of sugar. Is that for real? Hold on, is 960 grams like a kilo? Oh my God. That can't be right. How much cake am I making? Enough cake to feed an army who loves unicorns. All right, so we need 6 of these motherfuckers of the good stuff. Now we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of bicarb. Why we need both, I don't know. I don't know what the fucking difference is between the two of them. Put in your miscellaneous white powder. More miscellaneous white powder that looks exactly the same. Oh. Is it supposed to be jumping up and down like that? I'm gonna break it, aren't I? Party. 240 grams of coconut oil. I'm starting to spot a theme here. We're using all of my expensive shit. Don't get angry. It's a birthday party. Have you ever gotten angry at your own birthday party? I have. Have you cried at your own birthday party? I have too. Bitch. I've lost count. Baking's gross. It's not buttermilk. Add more whisk. Add the melted chocolate that I didn't know I was supposed to be melting. Huh? That's 20 grams of dark chocolate. That's 29. 21 grams, that'll do. Do you want some chocolate? That's a very important rule and lesson to learn, people. If you add orange juice or tomato juice to your booze, no one can judge you for drinking in the day. Fact. Sexy. It was like large quantities of everything and then we got to the chocolate, it was like 20 grams, which I think is bullshit. Well, the coconut oil we solidified in the time it took me to melt the chocolate that I didn't know I was meant to be melting. Don't really have anything to do. I feel so far this has been a success. It could be a better batter, but it's a batter. I can't drink in hats. It's quite lumpy, isn't it? Okay. Oh, shit! Shit, stop it. What happened?
How do I take this off?
Now that you've almost destroyed your whole kitchen, your batter is ready. That's not going to be a circle. No, this is also terrible. I feel like that's a bit better than it was. Tap out air bubbles. I think I need to start doing that. It's gonna go in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about half an hour. As agile as a cat. Well, that's what you get for coming in and meowing, bitch. Got to do something. I'm a bit drunk. All of your vegan butter that you just bought yesterday, not knowing it was all gonna get used in one fucking cake, and you're gonna put it in your mixer. This is cream your butter. You cream your butter. Why is this so hard?
Happy birthday to Drunk Cooking.
How many drunks does it take to bake a unicorn cake? There's no end to that joke. I'm not funny. The joke's on you for watching. If you've just tuned in, you've tuned in to Drunk Cooking with Leora, the show where I take your recipes and I get drunk with them. That was a nice intonation. I think it was very natural. I love you guys, but you fuckers haven't been putting in requests. I'm putting in all the work in this relationship and you ain't giving fuck all back. I'm sorry, I love all of you so much. I didn't mean any of it. I can't believe I'm doing this a year. How am I alive? Let's have a montage of all the beautiful moments that we've had in the past. The Jurassic Park theme. I was gonna do the montage from Rocky. Oh! Poke it in the middle and make sure that this is already covered in chocolate. Make sure that it comes out clean. Nope, I felt. Nope, you are not clean in the slightest. I'm gonna go find a horn. I'll be back. Fairly clean. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes, which will be meaningless. What was I doing? If you don't have a roller, finish your Prosecco. And look, magical roller has suddenly appeared. Start at the tip and work your way down. It can only get worse from here. A real horn wouldn't be perfect. I don't think I'm gonna get any better than that. So using a hot cookie cutter, you're gonna do that, and then that's gonna make the outside of the ear, which is quite good. A teardrop, and this is somehow gonna fit into the middle as the inside of the ear. I just want to take this moment to talk about the fact that we've been doing this for a whole year now. We've achieved very little. This looks hard. What she's doing is she seems to be taking, she has a roller. Maybe I should listen to her. That's awful. Do that, but less shit. Does that look an ear? It's a bit like a vagina. They look like vaginas. Welcome to Drunk Cooking with Logan. My ear, that's my ear. Cool. Having a bit of a time here. That was an ordeal. So we're gonna mix some vodka in with the gold. I would recommend if you're doing this at home to use a paintbrush you've never used for paint before. I'm gonna wash my paintbrushes because I didn't plan for this. Ooh, it's so gold. Oh my God, I was not expecting this to actually turn out well. It looks amazing. I'm so proud. I stand by my point. If you're thinking about baking a cake, just go pay someone else to do it for you. Make sure you never forget the tip. Look at that. Paint gold onto the inside of the ears. I'm not an artist. I'm a drunk. Cake come out delicious. You hungry? Should we order takeout? It's almost cooled. I mean, this one's still pretty fucking warm. Put some icing on top of this guy and try and make it like a circle because this is all cake that is fallen off. I don't even know anymore. It's melting. Oh, it broke. This isn't going well. The bits that are falling off are a bit of a nightmare. Oh no. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. The least you could have done is come out well. Stop falling apart, please. Smush some pink in. This is all gone wrong. This is a disaster. It's hemorrhaging. It could be worse. And it could 100% be better. I'm not a baker. This is disgusting. I tried so hard. Thank you for watching Drunk Cooking with Leora. We've been doing this for a year and I'm no better of a cook than I was when I started. Keep giving us your recommendations. And I'll keep making it because I'm a fucking fool. I love you guys. Happy birthday to you. Oh, it's so warm.